Hello world, meet MiKoBots, a 3D printed robotic arm. MiKoBots has 6 degrees of freedom, open source software, a maximum payload of 1.5 kilograms, vision control, repeatability of 0.2 millimeters, and a maximum reach of 600 millimeters. MiKoBots has many capabilities and can do as many different tasks as you can think of. Like playing games such as Connect 4 or Tic-Tac-Toe, with vision control the robot can recognize different kind of object based on color or size. Or you can use an Xbox controller to move the robot arm. MiKoBots has also the capability to run a code program. You can use multiple end effectors tools, like a gripper, vacuum tool, pen holder, or a magnetic tool. You can control the robot arm with our open-source software MiKoBots Studio. MiKoBots Studio is easy-to-use software with many capabilities, where you can control and program the robotic arm. It has functions like simulation or vision control. MiKoBots has also a built-in G-code interpreter, and you can show the tool path of the tool center point. The current version of the robot arm is the result of many iterations. We have spent a lot of time designing the robotic arm to make every part fit and work perfectly. With over 50 3D printed parts, the arm requires over 100 hours of printing. We've taken care to ensure that nearly every printer can handle the job, with the largest part fitting on a 200 by 200 millimeters print bed. With our step-by-step guide, it is possible for everybody to assemble and make this robotic arm. Thank you for watching our video. Please check out our campaign on Kickstarter.